Sir, I really felt very nice listening to you, especially the thought of 80% mindset and 20% as a skill. That really made me feel very interested in your entire training.
Thank you so much, sir. I really thanks to you that you had given this session and you had spent more than 1 hour, I think so.
Yeah.
More than 1 hour, and we have received a lot of knowledge which you have given today. By the way, please introduce yourself. We
Yeah, yeah,
wanted to
I
know
have.
your name.
I will. I
Thank you
will
so
just.
much, sir.
Thank you.
It was a very pleasant experience for me. It was like sharpening of the skills because I've been in this teaching field for past 16 years.
Even avoid time, how to engage the audience, your approaches towards that, and some witty approaches from your side, all these were fabulous. And the thing which I liked was you just don't tell us what to do, you also tell us as a trainer what not to do. So this was a very important learning for all of us. I'm sure all of us will agree with this.
It was not just theoretical, it was not just something abstract. It was not just ideas and ideas flowing continuously. You made us do the things, and you yourself, you are a great professional, sir. You are a complete trainer, and you don't just speak about things. You walk your talk. You know how to get things done, sir. And I have started to admire you, sir.
Always truly engaging and learning session. And if there's any master course for this, please do let us know. We'll be
Yes.
always happy to join and keep ourselves upskilling.